So here we are, Dave Zammit here in Manasquan, New Jersey. Just got done with this beautiful property and used Warmboard Comfort System as his heating choice.
Well, the experience was great from start to finish. I met you. You came out. You showed me a lot of the literature, the handbook that you had on the product. You took my plans, and your staff basically designed Warmboard to work in this house. When I called the staff, they were there, walked you through anything that needed to be installed. So the whole experience was awesome. The plumber that I use, he works with other systems, and he does a lot of plumbing for me on other jobs. And it's really, it's basically a one-day install once the manifold is all put together. So it's not like it's a couple days worth of work. It's a lot of less materials. So when he was said and done with this, he couldn't believe how easy this system was. Now I had it basically running for at least 3 months out of the winter, and the heat is so even that you don't even know the heat's on. It's really hard to say what you like the most, because you really like it all, because wherever you can walk barefoot, it's the same temperature. There's no negative at all with this system. It's very comfortable. It's easy to maintain temperatures, even though there's different zones. It seems like the house is even right from the first floor to the second floor. I have some other projects going on where I try to explain to people, if you want the best heat, Warmboard has the best heat. I have a couple friends that are building custom houses, and he seems like he's very happy with his system.